Hello friends, my name is Manush Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see how we can install AdGuard as a container in proxmox. So let's get into the video. So first of all, we need to open the proxmox dashboard. We need to enter the password, and once we log in, we need to click on create container. Now we need to give a name. Let's give it AdGuard02 because I'm already one instance running. Now let's give the password. Now click next. Now it is asking for a template or which image that you want to install. So as of now we want to run Ubuntu on the server. Then click next, 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 next. Now it's asking for an IP. So what we'll do, we'll assign one IP 192.1.96 is available in my network. Then this, let me just copy it, paste it. This is my default gateway. Now click next, just asking for the DNS info, confirm and finish. After some time, our newly created container is created. Okay, now let's close this up, go to AdGuard setting and we'll power on our machine. Okay, now we'll click on the console. Okay, now we are into the machine. Now do first let login with the root credential and the password that you given at the time of creation. Now you need to head over to the AdGuard GitHub page. I will link this in the description of video. You can follow from there. Now you need to click on automated install Unix, and it will give us a curl command. You just need to copy it and you just need to paste it over here. Okay, so sudo apt is not populated. Let's see. First of all, sometime it happens, so we need to check the IP whether it's showing us the IP that we assign. Okay, now let's run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Okay, so let it get updated to the all the latest version. Let it get updated all the required dependencies and everything, and then we can run the curl command using which we can install AdGuard in our home environment. Okay, it is taking some time to install. Meanwhile, you can also check out this GitHub article. Like, you will see the alternative method to install. There are few guides are there, and here you will also file know about the public AdGuard DNS. Let's suppose you are using your mobile data, then how you can enable this AdGuard. So we have different option over there as well. You can also check that out. And if you want to compare this with the Pi-hole, you can also check this out. And if you're interested in the Pi-hole video, how you can set it up, I will provide my video link in the description. You can also check that out. Let's see, it is still taking time to install, and it's a great tool for as a DNS manager. You can definitely try this out. The reason why I'm switching from the Pi-hole to the AdGuard, the main is the DNS over HTTPS. I already discussed this in my previous video. You can check that out. Okay, so let just wait for it to install. Okay, now our container is successfully upgraded. Now let's install the AdGuard. We can use the simple command that is provided on the GitHub AdGuard GitHub page. Just hit enter. Okay, so as it is saying, the curl is not installed, so we'll run apt install curl, and it will take some time to install curl in our container. Okay, so as you can see, the curl is now installed in our machine. Now we'll run the curl command, and within no time the AdGuard is installed in one machine. If you want to access it, it provided an IP. As you can see here, you just need to copy it, and you just need to go to your browser, control V, and here you have it. Now you just need to click on get started. Now it's asking for the all the available detail. In the DNS server, you need to select this ETH, okay, 02, that is the IP, and now click on the next. It is asking for the username. For the sake of this video, I'm just giving this, and click on next. Now as you can see here, if you want to configure this AdGuard in your router level, these are the steps that you need to follow. If you want to specifically install this or configure this in your Windows machine, you can follow these steps, or if you want to configure this in your Mac OS, you can follow these, and for the same for the Android and the iOS device, you can follow these. Okay, but the best one I suggest to go with the router path. If you like a router smart, you can definitely go with this route. And now click on the next. Now it is saying that it is successfully installed and configured. You just need to click here to open the dashboard. Now let's enter the password, that is, so as you can see here, it is showing as like nothing is showing over here because it just now installed, and it is not, as of now it is not having any device connected. So once it's installed, let's talk about some important setting. We just click on setting and we go to the DNS setting. So this is the default DNS that it is having, and as you can see here, it is going over the HTTPS, and we all know HTTPS is secure network. So using this, our DNS is secure using HTTPS protocol. Okay, and let's suppose if you want to add multiple DNS record, how you can do that? If you see here, you will find here is a list of DNS provider. You just need to click here. It will pop out lots of DNS entry. You can choose from there. uh, as of now, I'm using this adult filter, and few more I'm using. I'm just this Google DNS I'm using, the Cloudflare DNS I'm using. There is one protected is also one there. I have to like search for that. I'm also using that, and one family one is there. So if you having this one, if you're having like kids in your home, you can definitely go for that. It's a great addition. And you will also find some like some fishy link avoider. You can also use that. It will be on the security one. You can definitely try those out. Once you give all those, let's suppose for this, let me just go with the DNS for the family. Let me just copy this address. Let me just paste it here, and you have the apply option, and now you having your DNS updated. So in this way you can set it up. For let's see how actually it is showing if it is running for some time. Okay, so now I'm opening my current DNS server, so it is on 84. So yeah, as of now these are the start that I'm having. So you can see here like these much of DNS query, these are the block filters and all those stuff you can see here. Okay, so this is all about the AdGuard. Hope you like this video. If you want to see such amazing video, you can follow the Corp IT, and in future we'll provide you such awesome tech video that you enjoy. Till the time, peace out.